Jayant Narlikar was born in Kolhapur, India, on 19th July, 1938. Even as a young boy, he was fascinated by the night sky and the big questions about how the universe began and what it was made of. He was super smart and loved learning from the best. He went to Cambridge University in England, which is a very famous place for learning. There, he met another brilliant scientist named Sir Fred Hoyle. Together, they became like a dream team, a new way to see the universe. Most scientists believe the universe started with a huge explosion called the Big Bang. But Jayant Narlikar and Fred Hoyle had a different idea. They thought of something called the steady-state theory. Imagine the universe as a giant, never-ending ocean. In their theory, new water, or matter, was constantly being made, so the ocean always looked the same, even though it was always getting bigger. It was a really creative way to think about things, even if later on, scientists found more evidence for the Big Bang. Their ideas still made everyone think harder and ask more questions, which is what good science is all about. Making science fun for everyone. Dr. Narlikar wasn't just a brainy scientist hidden in a lab. He wanted everyone to understand and love science. He was like a fantastic storyteller, but instead of fairy tales, he told stories about stars, galaxies, and black holes. He wrote many books, not just for other scientists, but for regular people, including kids. He wrote in English, Hindi, and his native Marathi. Some of his stories even became part of school lessons. He would go on TV and radio, explaining complicated ideas in simple ways. He loved talking to school children, inspiring them to become scientists themselves. He even showed people that eating during a solar eclipse was perfectly safe, to bust old superstitions. Building homes for science. He didn't just do amazing research. He also helped build important places for science to grow in India. He was the main person behind creating the Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, IUCAA, in Pune. Think of it as a super cool school and research center where scientists study the universe. He was its first boss and made it a world-famous place. Before that, he also helped make the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR, in Mumbai a very strong center for science. Awards and honors. Because he was so brilliant and did so much for science, Dr. Narlikar received many awards. Throughout his illustrious career, Dr. Narlikar received numerous accolades, including Padma Bhushan, 1965, India's third highest civilian honor, at the young age of 26. Padma Vibhushan, 2004, India's second highest civilian honor. UNESCO Kalinga Prize for the Popularization of Science, 1996. Prix Jules Jensen from the French Astronomical Society, 2004. Maharashtra Bhushan, 2011, the highest civilian honor of his home state. Sahitya Akademi Award, 2014, for his Marathi autobiography, Chaur Nagratle Maje Vishv, My World in Four Cities. Dr. Narlikar's legacy is immense, marked by his profound contributions to theoretical cosmology, his unwavering commitment to making science accessible to the public, and his vision in establishing institutions that continue to nurture scientific talent in India. He will be remembered as a scientist who not only pushed the boundaries of cosmic understanding but also inspired generations to look at the universe with curiosity and a scientific temper.